Yo, what's good? Welcome to today's guitar lesson. Today, we're going to be talking about something that is very important, and that is how to hold your guitar pick. Let me see if I can get this to focus. Right here, we have our guitar pick. It's got a little gator on it. I like it. I enjoy it. It has a cool, feel to it, which is a big deal for me. I'm a big touch guy. So this is gonna be one of those videos where I'm up on the camera. Hi. Holding the guitar pick is important for many reasons. We get a lot of different tones that come from the guitar. Let me bring the tune back. Am I in tune? Or in focus? Listen to these sounds. So this is just gonna be with the flesh of my thumb. This is gonna be with my guitar pick. It has more of a pronounced sound to it, which is why guitar picks are great, because they can make your playing sound even better. Now, a lot of the time when people get guitar picks, they wanna squeeze the life out of them as they're strumming, because they don't want it to fall out of their hands. And what I'm about to explain to you is gonna sound kind of counterintuitive, but trust me, it works. You wanna hold the guitar pick. Hold up. You wanna hold the guitar, I'm looking at the monitor right now. You wanna hold the guitar pick as delicately as possible. Because as it glides through the strings, you kind of want it to have a little bit of a give. That's gonna allow you to glide through the strings smoothly rather than hard if you're just holding on to it as hard as you can. If you also notice, there's different kind of edges and bevels of a guitar pick. Traditionally, you may see a lot of people use the pointier side. I never really got down with that. I like using the softer, rounded side. It gives it more of a smoother tone to me, in my opinion. It's not as plucky, I guess you could say, but it just has this very smooth, mellow sound to it. I just always have liked that kind of sound. So as I'm holding it, think about you're about to give a handshake, right? Reaching out for a handshake. And then we're just gonna relax our hand. Like we're holding a soda can or a water bottle, right? We're going to place the pick. I don't need to go on this. Act like you're about to give somebody a stick of gum. Thank you, Holy Spirit. So, act like you're about to give somebody a stick of gum. You're gonna rest the pick right here on this knuckle. Boom. Then I'm gonna pinch it like a potato chip. And now I have a pick that is ready to be used in strumming. So as I hold the pick in this specific manner, I'm gonna bring it over to the guitar. And now I'm just gonna glide through the strings. And that is how you hold a guitar pick. That's how I hold my guitar picks. Boom. You see how it's not going crazy off the edge? I just have a little bit revealed, because that's all you need to make contact with the strings. Hope this helps. Till next time. Peace.